Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is creamy red pepper pasta. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. We're going to heat our olive oil over medium-high heat. At the same time, you can cook your pasta to the pasta directions on your packaging. We'll add our sausage, our chicken, and our onions, and we're going to saute these and cook till the chicken is cooked through and the sausage is crumbled and brown. We'll drain any excess fat once this is all cooked through. And then we'll put in our garlic, and our Italian seasoning. We'll cook that up and then we'll add our flour. We'll stir that until it is incorporated and browned, usually about 1 minute. Then we're slowly going to add in our red pepper mixture, which is our chicken stock and our roasted red peppers that we blended. Then we'll add our tomato sauce as well. Then we're going to bring this to a boil and then we'll reduce the heat and simmer. We want to continue simmering this until it's slightly thickened, and then we'll add in our pasta. This recipe usually makes about enough for a family of 4 with leftovers the next day, which is great for lunches. Now that we've added our pasta, we'll also add our heavy cream, and we'll stir that so that it's all heated through. season this with some salt and pepper. And then add our Parmesan cheese. And stir in our basil. And it's ready to serve. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.